welcome to Sowmi's channel. In this video, I am going to teach chapter number 2, whole numbers from class 6 maths. Before we are going to the topic, first we have to know what is meant by natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted as n. Natural numbers are also called as counting numbers. Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Do you know which is the smallest natural number? The smallest natural number is 1. Can you find which is the largest natural number? The largest natural number cannot be obtained because they are infinite. They are like counting the stars in the sky. So next we will move on to the next topic, that is whole numbers. So whole numbers are denoted by W. Whole numbers are 0 along with the natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Do you know which is the largest whole number? The largest whole number cannot be obtained because they are infinite. Can you find which is the smallest whole number? The smallest whole number is 0. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers because in whole numbers there is 0, but in natural number there is no 0. So now we will see what is meant by predecessor and successor. Successor means after number. Coming to the natural numbers, the successor of 1 is 2. The successor of 3 is 4. In natural numbers, all the numbers have successor. Coming to the whole numbers, the successor of 0 is 1. The successor of 2 is 3. The successor of 4 is 5. In whole numbers, all the numbers have successor. So coming to the predecessor, do you know what is meant by predecessor? Predecessor means before number. So the predecessor of 5 will be 4. The predecessor of 3 is 2. Do you know which is the predecessor of 1? There is no predecessor for 1 because natural number starts with 1. Coming to the whole number part, the predecessor of 5 is 4. The predecessor of 3 is 2. The predecessor of 1 is 0. Can you find which is the predecessor of 0? There is no predecessor for 0 because the whole number starts with 0. Next we will see some examples for successor and predecessor. For example, we can take 599. So, here the given number is 599. To find the successor of a given number, just we have to add 1 to the given number. So, 599 plus 1. So 599 plus 1 will be 600. So the successor of 599 is 600. So now we will see some examples for predecessor. For example, we can take 785. So here the given number is 785. To find the predecessor of a given number, just we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So 785 minus 1. So 785 minus 1 will be 784. The predecessor of 785 is 784. Now we will see how to represent the whole numbers on the number line. First we have to draw a horizontal line like this. Next we have to keep a starting point on it and we have to name it as 0 because the whole number starts with 0. Next we have to mark the points at an equal distance to represent the whole numbers on the number line. Now we have to put the arrow mark at the right end of the number line. This represents that the whole numbers are infinite. Now we will write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the way of representing the whole numbers on the number line. The distance between two numbers is called the unit distance. Can you find the distance between the points 4 and 6? The distance between the points 4 and 5 is 1 unit. The distance between the points 5 and 6 is 1 unit. So 1 unit plus 1 unit will be 2 units. So the distance between the points 4 and 6 is 2 units. Next we will see how to represent the successor and predecessor on the number line. We already know that successor means after number. So the successor of 2 is 3. The successor of 7 is 8. The successor of 9 is 10. So next we will find the predecessor. We already know that the predecessor means before number. So the predecessor of 3 will be 2. The predecessor of 7 will be 6. The predecessor of 9 will be 8. So next we will see how to represent lesser than and greater than on the number line. So now we will take two numbers, that is 4 and 7. The number 7 lies on the right of 4. So 7 is greater than 4. Next we will take another example, that is 2 and 5. So the number 2 lies on the left of 5. So 2 is less than 5. Now we will see how to represent addition on the number line. First we have to draw a number line like this. So here the given example is 3 plus 4. So here the first number is 3. So now we have to start from 3. So here we have to add 4 to this number. So now we have to make 4 jumps to the right. How many jumps we have to make? 4 jumps. So 3 to 4. 3 to 4. 4 to 5. 5 to 6. 6 to 7. So now we had been completed the 4 jumps. Where we had been reached? We had been reached at 7. So the sum of 3 and 4 is 7. So this is the way of representing addition on the number line. Now we will see how to represent subtraction on the number line. First we have to draw the number line like this. So here the given example is 7 minus 2. Here the first number is 7. So now we have to start from 7. Now we have to subtract 2 from this number. So now we have to make 2 jumps to the left, not to the right, to the left. How many jumps we have to make? 2 jumps we have to make. So 7 to 6. 6 to 5. So now we had been completed 2 jumps. So we had been reached at 5. So when we subtract 7 from 2, our answer will be 5. So this is the way of representing subtraction on the number line. Now we will see how to represent multiplication on the number line. First we have to draw the number line like this. So here the given example is 2 multiply 3. So here the first number is 2. So now we have to start from 0, move 2 units at a time to the right. How many units we have to take? 2 units at a time. So now we have to multiply 2 3 times. So now we have to make 3 jumps to the right. How many jumps we have to make? 3 jumps. So 1, that is 0 to 2. 2 to 4. 4 to 6. So now we had been made 3 jumps. Now we had been reached at 6. So the product of 2 and 3 is 6. So this is the way of representing multiplication on the number line. Okay friends, I will continue chapter number 2, whole numbers, in the upcoming videos. Okay friends, keep watching Sowmi's channel. Bye.